All right, welcome back to the Vino rod construction. So yeah, still sanding on the body, trying to straighten it out best I can. But today what I wanted to do is isolate the construction of my convertible top, how I went about building it. So let's get started. All right. So you can see the mechanism right there. And the bows are oak, and they're just glued and doweled and cut out at a 90-degree bend. You can see the front one is shorter than the back. But on the construction of the mechanism, what I used there was pieces from a Norton hydraulic door opener. So give you a really close look at that, because you're going to want to see exactly how I put that together. That bottom piece there that I welded to the body of the car is the tombstone off the header that holds the arm that gives it support, when it's opening or closing. Pulls it back to the closed position. And then that right there is just a piece of flat bar connected to the header. Got a little suitcase clip there. Bringing it around here to a thumb screw, you loosen, which will allow this piece to slide in and out. That top one stays fixed. The bottom one, because it can slide in and out, will allow the break and rollover of the top. So we'll go around and undo the thumb screw on that back piece. Pop the clip here. Got another thumb screw here. Loosen. Yeah. Gotta give it a pop. It's difficult here. Okay. Yeah, you can realize holding a phone, how well that works out trying to open it. Okay, so here's a little bit better of a view of which I'm going to just call it a tombstone, where I welded it to the body. You can see where I attached the clips there on the bow. There's going to be here's your rigid top one here that stays rigid, which when you're building it, it gives you the ability to adjust it to how you want it. It's got a lot of adjustments on this using these arms. So here you go, you got a pivot point here, see if I can get that in there a little better. Pivot point here, and then way in the back, I'm gonna move my finger. You can get to that fella at a pivot point there. And then just a piece of round bar there attached to the header. This is a 30 or Cal Ford Model A. A little bit of the other side, which same. Here's the top. Here's the header, piece of oak. Put a little mill joint right in the middle there to accept this piece right here. Little drip rail that's on the windshield frame. And here's a better view of this is the arms of the hydraulic opener closer. And then you can see the part that attaches to the header of the door. Now, when I'm making this, I cut these down. And then I ended up using 2 of those per the top. Let's get over here and I'll put the top back up, and then we can get a better view of what I'm talking about. So we'll just set you here while I put the top back up. Just a little bit of thumb pressure, tighten it back up. Like I said, just a little bit of thumb pressure here, and tighten that thumb screw back down. Pretty rigid. You can see that okay, let me get you back over here, close up. As I was saying, let me see if I can get these guys. As you can see, that structure again. And this is, right? So this one here is cut down. Cut about, right about here, radiused, and then I drilled it out, put a bushing in there so it would slide over. This part. And then as you can go up, you see this one turned with that swivel joint. Cut about, get it better here, and it's cut about right there in radius. And then drilled out to fit a bushing that I added right there. And then these fellas, 2 of these are used. Remember how I said the top one is fixed, and then this one here, this bottom one, has the little thumb screw in it. So yeah, those are Norton Door opener and closer. Hardware on a commercial door. Just you can have them on a set of double doors. Just a regular entrance door, exit door, whatever. But the hardware worked out great because of all the little different swivels and the way it would pivot, which just was an awesome way to put, to build a custom convertible top. Well, I hope this helps you guys out. If anybody's building a custom top, man, it worked out great. Hey man, subscribe and thanks for watching.